be honest with you, I was a little nervous. I mean, we're working with 350 sticks of dynamite. It's scary. So Mom's got some issues with her dishwasher, and the daybed is filthy. It's got dander, it's got dirt. It's going to be such a big deal that I thought maybe we should kind of give them a few appetizers, samplers, if you will, of just exactly what's about to happen. Are you guys ready? Johnny on the detonator! Fire in the hole! Oh! That was awesome! Let's blow up the dishwasher! On my signal! Fire in the hole! That was awesome! I think that thing just had its last cycle. That baby is gone! Now that was just a warm-up. Who's ready to blow up a house?
Blowing up the daybed and the dishwasher, that was pretty cool. But just to compare, those each had 3 sticks of dynamite. The house had over 300 sticks of dynamite.
Johnny! When you're ready, are you ready? Fire in the hole! That was massive! Well, say goodbye to your house, because as you can see, there's not much left.
I couldn't believe that was my house. I mean, I see other houses in movies,